Hi guys, in this video you're gonna learn how to deactivate your Instagram account. You cannot deactivate your Instagram account by using your Instagram app. So to deactivate it, you're gonna first open your browser. Go to instagram.com, log in to your account, and here tap your profile at the bottom right corner. After that, tap the edit profile. Scroll down until you see the link temporarily deactivate my account and then tap it. Now you're in the deactivate section where you can now deactivate your account. Scroll down. Choose why are you deactivating your account. And then enter your password and tap temporarily deactivate account button. So that's how easy to deactivate your Instagram account. So if you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.